Hello everyone and all our dear friends. So today we are here to perform our group discussion on the proper care of street animals. So today we are 11 participants here. So now let us tell our name. So I am Ayush Mistry and he is.
And I am Shreyan.
And I am Divyansh Rawat.
I am Samyak Jain.
I am Arnav Agrawal. I am Siddharth Agrawal.
And I am Garb Rawat.
And I am Isha Yadav.
Hello everyone, I am Kush.
I am Sumit Rawat.
I am Harshit Yadav.
So now let's start our group discussion here. So first of all, now I will tell you some points about the proper care of domestic animals. So as we know, street animals. So as we know, there are so many street dogs or cows wander here and there to search for some food. As they are not able to search food, they often die. And so many other animals like cats and other animals need some proper diet. So if they will not get a proper diet, they often die. So as we know, in our area there is no more cats or other species of animal. That is the reason of it, that they have no proper diet. So they have proper proper care of street animals to maintain the species of that animals.
So as you know that in India this is the main problems of street animals, means many pupils are not care of them, and some street animals are having some disabilities. Because of this, the many pupils are not want to touch them, because they think if we touch them, so we are also having some disabilities. So in this we see that in many times in our street there are some puppies, cows, cats. They are roaming here and there, and they want food. So and no one gives them, and they are very hungry. So sometimes they died also. Thank you.
So if you want to help street animals, so most common way to help animal, you provide them a food and water. And another way to help animal, you provide them shelters to save them.
I am agree with Ayush and Shrey. So my opinion is that about proper care of street animals. So first of all, I want to tell you who is street animal. Street animal is someone who don't have anything to eat, and who don't have nothing to live, who don't have anything to live. That's all.
I take care of my street animals. I give food to him and I give shelters. And sometimes there is animals in highway also, and there is an accident. That's all. So we should provide street animals shelter, and we should also provide them food. So they, as we know, they will die, and they will not exist in future. They have no much food and shelter to live in. In night, they have very cold, so many street animals will die because of cold. Thank you.
In India, the main problem of street animal, some people see not keep in our street animal in our house. So if we pupils is live in a forest, or footpath. So if you want help to street animals,
So according to me, we should do proper care of our street animals, but people are not doing it.
people are not doing proper care of a street animal. Government should take a action on this and allow many ambulance for street animals, because of no food, because of dehydration, the many street animals like cows and dogs and cat are dying often.
I am agree to Arnab that he said some animals are also standing on highway and they are got an accident and get died. So I have a solution for this. Government should take action and there should be a there should be a and there should be their and there should be their employees for in 1 kilometer range. Thank you. And now I have a question for anyone that what should government do for our street animals?
Government do in street animal in make our street animals in house and give the food in street animal and all things and all facility available in street animal. But someone in coming the money in like the money in street animal, but some people not make us a street animal house, not he will spend in me. But how many person is make a house of street animal in Santolo? Cows and the cows and dogs and puppies.
So, in my opinion, firstly, I want to tell about the street animals. Street animals are the animals that walk here and there in the street, and they have no proper shelter, and they do not have food. Because of no food, they go here and there. Next I will tell about the solution of the street animal. If we give food to the street animal, so they will not get enter in our house, and also give them shelter and proper food.
So we have done a lab of describing of our how to protect our street dogs or animals. So now we are asking some question to each other. So let us start my question to Sumit. So Sumit, suppose you have created a house of animals. Suppose if animals is scared of you and you have stored them or cared them in a house. So suppose they often feel like that you are caring them for money. If they sometime if they break the cage or went out of the house and harm other people, so what will you do? So I repeat my question. So if some animals is scared of you and they wanted to harm other people, so what will you do?
I will treat in love and play with smoothly and give the biscuits and milk.
So now Sri will ask question.
So I would like to ask to anyone can give the answer. So I want to ask you that if you find any animals in the street which is having any disability, so what will you do for him?
In that situation, I will call the domestic surgeon that they can do operation or solve the problem of the animal, and and in that situation, firstly I will get a mask and a proper safety equipment, so that the disease of the animal did not affect me. So next, I want to ask a question that what's the difference between domestic animal and street animal?
We saw that street animals are those animals which is present mainly in streets, and they are roaming in a whole. They just spend their whole life in the street, roaming in here and there, and they want just only food. So that's why they are roaming. And domestic animals are those animals which we can only find in farms and sometimes in homes also, because these animals already have some these animal also have some good qualities. That's why the pupils like to prefer in farm and homes, because by this they can get some benefits. Thank you.
Shreya, I somehow agree with you and somehow disagree with you, because you said the street animal just wanted food, but I want to say you that the street animals are cheated by their owner, as the owner just wanted to earn money from them, to have some babies and then to sell them to have some money. So that's why they are called street animals, as they are cheated, and they often wander here and there in search of food. So now Divyans Bhaiya will tell.
So if you find any animal that have injured, so please help that injured people. If you unable to help that animal, so please call the animal doctors, so that's help them.
Now I am asked the question from Arshid Yadav, Ayush, Shrey and Yasraj. How can we do properly care for street animal?
We can do proper care for street animal by giving them proper food and giving them proper diet for them, and we can also tame them in our home, and we can also give them some facility, and give them a shelter, and that's all.
We can properly care of animals for giving them proper food and water, and we can also make a small tank outside and filled with water, and as Yasra says, we can also tame them, and we can make also shelters for them, which will provide hotness in winters.
Yes, I agree with you. And in last, I want to say that the only meaning of street animal is the animal that walk here and there in the street. And then the Ayush conclude this topic.
So we are concluding our topic here of proper care of street animals. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment in our channel, and also share the video to other. That it is your duty to like, share and share.